Welcome to JK Tiles Machinery. Iron gas cutting machine. A paver block or brick making machine is only successful when its frame and molds are in perfect shape. JK Tiles Machinery's iron gas cutting machine delivers precisely the kind of precision that a reputable brand demands. The problem or solution. Cutting using traditional techniques often lacks a refined finish. However, our gas cutting machine slices through iron like butter, ensuring that your brick making machine acquires a shape that is absolutely precise and accurate. Machine manufacturing. As you mentioned, iron gas cutting machines are a backbone of their factory process. In the manufacturing of these machines, precision shaping, gas cutting is used to cut thick MS, mild steel, plates for machine frames. Mold fabrication, ensuring every mold is cut to the exact millimeter so that paver blocks fit perfectly together. Structural integrity, clean cuts allow for stronger welding joints, making the overall machine more durable under high pressure. Thank you for connecting with JK Tiles Machinery. See you in the next video.